is our workshop, probably the hub of the farm when it's all. I'm Tim Parton and I'm farm manager here at Brewood Park Farm. I've probably been here just over 30 years because my father was manager before me here, so it's quite unusual. The farm itself, we're probably about 750 acres, something like that. Since leaving college and coming back to the farm here, we used to be on a very plough-based system, so it was plough, probably a disc cultivator or something like that, and then we'd come in with the power harrow combination and really bash the soil to hell to get the crops that we wanted. I started to think, why do we have this perfect seed bed where we've just grown a perfect crop and we've got it all just how we want it, and then we decided we're going to rip it up and do it all again just for fun. There must be a better way. And that really got me interested in moving less soil. And I started to go down to a direct drilling route. I also started to realise how much we were putting artificial fertilisers and pesticides and fungicides and the like, and how damaging it is. Man has got so involved trying to manage and own that environment of the soil, where we don't need to get involved. The soil was doing fine, far better, before we started to really go in there and bully it to do exactly what we want it to do. And we don't need to put all these inputs. We don't need to put all this energy and money that we're doing to get a crop. It can be done far better. So as I started to go down this route, my past agronomist introduced me to Mike, and I liked what Mike was doing. He was interested in mycorrhizal fungi and his soil nutrition and getting the soil life working again. I really warmed to Mike's ideas. It was just where I was in my farming life at the time. And so Mike and Andrew have ended up doing my agronomy and nutrition since.
There's the nodules. Oh, yeah.
I suppose my holy grail of where I really want us to be is to be almost organic. Mike calls it beyond organic, where we still use chemicals if we need to. If we've got a problem, we'll still use them. But I'd like us to be producing our own nitrogen, having the biology right in the soil, so as all the natural nutrients in the soil are released, so we don't need to apply the potash and the phosphates. As we start to retract from applying all these inputs, and we're going to grow cover crops and put the organic matter back, the soil will start cycling itself. The biology will release the nutrients from the soil. There's enough nutrients down there for millennia. The cover crops are holding on to all the nutrients from the previous crop, so we're not having any of those leach. We're holding them back so we can use them rather than just waste them. The cover crops are improving our soil structure, so we're getting a far better soil now that we can establish a new crop into. We're definitely having better yields since I've stopped moving so much soil, and we're definitely making more money because I'm just not having to put the time into creating this perfect environment that was already created previously. So I totally believe that the path we're on is the right way for us economically and environmentally. I'm getting really excited about it now, and it's all finally starting to come together where we're really seeing the improvement.
Without having to apply that first dose in the spring.
Yeah.